Hi guys, welcome back to Susan here YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss 2022 Mathematics Progression Test Stage 6 Paper 2 in the form of practice quiz with question answers and also with explanation. Is from Cambridge past paper with the paper code M/S6/02. Let's get started. Each question will be given time intervals to find your own answer and then match with the answer key in explanation. And if you need more time, you may pause this video for a while. And if you follow this video till the end, you will find the full screen of the past paper question where you can take a screenshot, save it in your laptop or print it out as you like while doing this quiz or following this quiz with paper that you have printed out. Okay, now let's start it. Question 1. Write the cube of 4, 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So you got your answer. Let's reveal the answer. So it's 64. How is the explanation? Cube of 4 is quite easy. You just have to do cube. It means 4 times 4 times 4. Cube means 3 times. Multiply with the same number. So 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. While this paper you can use calculator. It's quite easy if you use calculator for this. So 16 times 4 is 64. Next. Question 2. Calculate 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5. Give your answer in the simplest form. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you got your answer. Let's reveal the answer. It's 114 over 15. 4 over 15. That's the answer. So how is it? 2 over 3 plus 3 over 5. This is manual way. You can check your answer with calculator, as in paper 2 you are allowed to use calculator. So we equalize the denominator. 3 and 5 will go to 15. So we times each with 3 times 5. So 5 over 5. 5 times 3 to make 15. So we put 3 over 3. This is how we equalize the denominator. If you have any problem with this, please write down in Susan here YouTube channel. We'll explain to you further with a introduction video for equalizing the denominator. Now 3 times 5 is 15, 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 3 is 9. Then after the denominator is same, then only we can add 10 plus 9, that is 19 over 15, and it's equal to 1/4 over 15. So 19 over 15, we can also use calculator for this. 15 times 1 is 15. Subtract 4, 4 is less, so 4 become up over 15. So that is how we get 1/4 over 15. Next number. Here we go. Question 3. A farmer records the number of eggs laid by his chicken each day. He records the data in a frequency table with equal intervals. Number of eggs 0 to 4 blank, 10 to 14 blank, frequency 7364. Complete the frequency table. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If not finished, you may pause this video. So let's check the answer. Oh, it's 5, 9 for this one, and then 15, 19. So we see this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this should be 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to make the same interval, which is difference by 4 each interval. That's how we complete the diagram. Next, question 3b. Complete the sentence with the correct number. The farmer records the number of eggs laid by his chicken for how many days? 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Let's reveal the answer. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So the answer is 20. How is it work? Let's see then. A farmer records number of eggs laid by his chicken each day. He records the data. So each day the recording is 1. So the frequency is the same as the number of days. So 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4. So let's count it. It's equals to 20. That's how we got the answer. We move on. Next, number 4. Draw a ring around each prime number. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
As we know that prime number is a number that only be divided by 1 and the number itself. So we have to draw a ring to each prime number. This is the answer. 21 is not a prime number, as 21 can be divided by 3, of course. Example, it becomes 7. And this is not a prime number, as 33 can be divided by 3. It's called 11. While all others number in the circle, they cannot be divided by other number except 1 and the number itself. Well, let's move on to question 5. Here's a triangle. Work out the value of angle A. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you got your answer? If you have not, you may pause this video. Alright, the answer is 84. Here's how it works. The sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equals to 180. So to get A, we subtract 180 minus 39 minus 57, and it's equals to 84. Calculation can be done with calculator since this is paper 2. Move on. Question 6, here are 3 symbols. Write the correct symbol in each box. 2.18 blank, 2.37 over 8 blank, 3 over 4, 0.6 blank, 3 over 5, and 1 over 8 blank, 0.25. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you have not finished, you may pause this video. We will reveal the answer now. The answer is that 2.18 is smaller than 2.3. How do we compare? So we have 2 decimal places. This is 1. We add 1 extra 0. Then we compare from the front. 2 is equals to 2. 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is less. So that's how we got less than. Less than. Okay. 7 over 8, 3 over 4 is the different denominator. So we times 2 to get an equal denominator. Now this is already same. We compare the top 7 and 6. 7 and 6. 7 is greater, so we answer greater. Now 0.6 and 3 over 5. We know that 0.6, 3 over 5 is, to convert to decimal, we times by 2 to get 6 over 10. 6 over 10 is equal to 0.6, so that's why we got this equal sign. 1 over 8 and 0.25. 1 over 8, you can count this with calculator, is equals to 0.125. So 0.125 and 0.250. So same 0, 0, 1, 2. 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. So this way, this is less than. Hope it's clear. If there's still any question, please feel free to write in the comment section in Susan here YouTube channel. Next, we move on to question 7. A set of numbers are sorted using Carroll diagram. A multiple of 3, not a multiple of 3. A multiple of 6, not a multiple of 6. A, B, C, and D. Question A. Draw a ring around the section that will always be empty. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The answer is B. Here's how it works. Why B is the answer. So multiple of 6 and not a multiple of 3. Let's take a multiple of 6. Let's say it's 6, 12, 18, and so on, and maybe 60 up to unlimited. So this multiple of 6 is always a multiple of 3. Since all the number is divisible by 3, so this slot will be always empty. That's how it works. If you still have any question, please write down in comment section in Susan Hero YouTube channel. Next, question B, 7B. Draw a ring around a section that will always contain even number. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's open the answer. It's A, that always contain an even number. Let's see how it works. A, here. So contain even number, multiple of 6 and multiple of 3. The multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, and so on, 60, and so on. And multiple of 6 is always multiple of 3, and since it's multiple of 6 is always a multiple of 2 and also multiple of 3. So remember this, multiple of 6 is always a multiple of 2 and 3. Since it's always a multiple of 2, so it's always even number. So that's how we got the answer. So the answer is B, is A, sorry, it's A. Alright, let's move on. Next, question 8. Draw a circle with a radius of 4 cm using a pair of compasses. So you need a paper for this. If you have printed out, it will be good. You can do it on your paper, or you can do it on a blank paper. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's reveal the answer. So this is the circle, 4 cm. Here's how it works. We use compass and ruler, measure 4 cm and draw that circle. Easy, right? Okay, next number. Question 9. Here's the sequence of the triangular numbers. The pattern continues in the same ways. First pattern 1, second pattern 3, third pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take all statements that are true. The fifth triangular number is 16, is it correct? The sixth triangular number is odd. The sum of the first 4 triangular number is even. An even triangular number always follows an odd triangular number. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Let's reveal the answer. You may pause if you have not finished or need more time. Here's the answer. The sixth triangular number is odd. The sum of the first 4 triangular number is even. So how is it that this statement is wrong? Fifth triangular number is 16, so is the fourth, the fifth. So it is 1 and then 2 and then 3, and then it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. This must be another 4, and this must be another 4. So the next is 1 plus 2, it will be 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. It must be 6 plus 4. See the order? Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Plus 4 will be 10. It will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 must be plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Must be 15. That will be the fifth pattern is 15. So 16 is wrong. The sixth triangle number is odd. So the 6, so we plus 5 plus 6 is 21. That it will be the sixth pattern. Is odd, so it's correct. The sum of the first fourth triangle number is even, so 1 plus, so 1 plus 3 is 4. Let me erase this one first since it got messy. So sum of first four triangular number 1, 3, 6 plus 10, the fourth one. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 is equals to 20. 20 is even, so it's correct. An even triangular number always follow an odd triangular number. So this is odd, odd, even, even. So an even always follow an odd. That is not true, as 10 is not following odd number, 6 is even. So even not always follow the odd, but 10 following 6 in here is even. So this statement is wrong. So let's move on. Alright, next number 10 is a picture of some children in class 6. 12 and 18 is the length, 12 is the height, not drawn to scale. Now draw a ring around each picture that is in the same proportion as the pictures of the children in class 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to choose, and 5 pictures. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you may pause if you have not finished. Let's reveal the answer. Is 12 by 8 and 36 by 24. How we got the answer? So first, this is the length and this is the height. We simplified 12 and 18 into smaller ratio, so both are multiple of 6, so we divide by 6. 12 over 6 is equals to 2. 18 over 6 is equals to 3. So we got the ratio is 2 and this is 3, the length and the height. So let's check 8 and 12. 8 and 12. To go to 8, 2 has 2 times by 4. To go to 12, 3 times by 4. So we times with the same number. So it means this is the answer. While this one is the same. From 2 to go to 24, we times by 12. From 3 to go to 36, we times by the same 12. So this is the answer. While the rest is not the answer because it's not the same proportion as the pictures. Next, number 11. Here are the first three terms of a sequence. The sequence is made by doubling the sequence of a square of square numbers 2, 8, 18, and so on. Write the next number in the sequence. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. This is question 11. Have you finished and got the answer? So let's reveal the answer. It's 32. Information given is clear. The first three terms of a sequence. The sequence is made by doubling the sequence of square numbers. Square number is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So it's 1, 4, and 9. And times 2 is 2, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 18. That's how we got 2, 8, and 18. And then 4 square is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So that will be the answer, 32. You got it correct? Let's move on. So if correct, it's good. So score another 1 point. And next is 11B. Let me erase. So write the 8 terms in the sequence 10 seconds.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So you got your answer. Let's reveal the answer. It is 128. 128. How do we get 128? So the first term is 2 times of 1 square. The second term is 2 times of 2 square. The third term is 2 times of 3 square. So the 8 terms will be 2 times of 8 square. 2 times of 8 square. So 2 times of 8 square. 8 square is equals to 64. 64 times by 2 is 128. And that's how we got 128. Because 8 terms mean 8 square. Next, question 12. Complete the following number sentences. 2.047 blank unit blank tens blank hundreds blank thousand 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's reveal the answer. Is 2 units, because 2 is in units place, 0 tens, this is tens place, 4 hundreds, 4 is in hundred place, and 7 thousands. 7 is in the thousands place. Next, 12B, 3.67 is how many hundreds? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's reveal the answer. So it's 367 hundredths. So as we know that one digit after decimal is tens. And next is hundred place. So how to fill the box is we write all the number up to the 100 place. That will be 367,000. Next, let's move on. Question 13. A triangle is drawn on a grid of squares. Rotate the triangle 30° clockwise about point B. Here's the triangle. If you have print out this paper, it will be good. You can do it given 10 seconds from now. You can draw this on a piece of paper and try to rotate it. Next.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So let's open up the answer. This is the answer. So if you have question why is it like that, you may write down in the comment section. We will explain to you about rotation further in another video. So this is how it works. The key is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? So clockwise means we do this way according to the clock direction, 90°. And the important point is the fixed point B. So B is the fixed point. It means this point is not moving. So we only rotate the other 2 points 90°. So first we make a line here. And we move 90° clockwise. It should be going in that way. This line is rotate 90° clockwise. So this must be going to here. And this will be the point C prime. Now next is the A to B to A. And we rotate this 90°. Something like this. So this line must be landing on somewhere in here. If 90° must be here, you can use a ruler and a protector. So this will be the point A prime. And what we have to do is we connect the triangle. That will be our triangle. So this is rotation 90° clockwise about point B. You may also use a transparent paper to rotate if it's easier for you. Next. Question 14. A netball team plays 36 matches. The results are shown in a pie chart. Results for netball team. Write the number of matches the netball team loses. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You got your answer? 6. How does it work? The keyword is 36 matches, so we take half circle. Half circle consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means altogether there are 12 sections that represent 36 match. So it means one section is 1 unit, is 36 divided by 12, which is equals to 3. Now lose is 1, 2 section. So 2 times 3 will be 6. So we hope it's clear. Next. Question B. Write the percentage of matches the netball team draws. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So you got your answer? So the rows is 1, 2, 3 sections. 3 sections, it means 3 sections. Let me erase everything first. As we see, the rows is 3 unit, 3 unit. So 3 unit is 1, 2, 3. Just now 1 unit represent 12, represent 3. So 3 unit of the team draws is 3 times 3 is 9. But they ask about percentage, so percentage will be 9 over the total matches is 36 times 100%. 9 over 36 simplify into 1 over 4, and 100 divided by 4 is 25%. That should be our answer, 25%. 25%. That's it. Alright, question 15. Here's a pattern of dots drawn on a grid of squares. This is line of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. Write the smallest number of dots that must be added to make a pattern of dots with 2 lines of symmetry. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, this question will be ideal if you have printed out or you draw first this on a sheet of paper. Now let's rebuild the answer. So it's 5. How does it work? Line of symmetry, so to be able to be folded horizontally, it has to be, we add this dot here, 1, this with this horizontally, and we have to add this one to this one. So this is the mirror. It is the second box going up, so we have to draw second box going down. Second box going up, second box going down. One box here above, then one box below. And for the vertical mirror line, this is one box to the right, and we have to draw one box to the left. The same one box to the right, one box to the left. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to draw the dots to make patterns of dots with 2 lines of symmetry. Next. Question 16. Here's a coordinate grid BCD question. ABCD is a square. Write the coordinates of A. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's reveal the answer. So it's -4/3. How it works, we see that from B to C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So also we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it must be falling on this. The A is here. So the A is -4 and 3. So -4/3. That's our answer. Next. Question B. A straight line that joins B and C. Write the coordinates of another points on the line. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1.
Alright,
0.
let's reveal the answer. 0, -4. So you can take any point along this line. You will make the line here. We take this point. You can also take this point. 1/4, 2/4, -1/4, -2/4, and so on. Let's move on. Question 17. 10 places a unit cubes on top of each other to make a 3D shapes. Write the number of unit cubes Chen uses. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Let's reveal the answer. So this is 16. How does it work? So we see that this column is 4 going down 1, 2, 3, 4. This column is 3. This column is 2. This column is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 16. That's how we got this. Next number. He adds more unit cubes to make a new 3D shapes. Question. Write the smallest number of cubes Chen adds. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0.
Alright. You have not finished. You may rebuild. You may stop this video. We will show the answer now. It's 12. How does it work? So if we complete this pattern, going up, this is 1. To make 4, we have to add another 1, 2, 3. This is 2, we have to add another 2. Going up to make it level. This is 3, we have to add 1. So altogether we have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the left side. And also 6 on the right side. So altogether is 6 plus 6 is 12. Next number. Question 18, a recipe uses 3 cups of butter for every 2 cups of sugar. Mike uses 6 cups of sugar. Write the number of cups of butter he uses. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So it's 9. It's 9. How does it work? Butter to sugar is 3 by 2. Now 6 cup of sugar, so 6 means this times 3, so this must be times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. That's how we got 9. Next number, Lily uses 4 more cups of butter than sugar. Write the number of cups of butter she uses. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's reveal the answer. So it's 12. So butter to sugar is 3 to 2. So if 4 more butter than sugar, so if we continue, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4, the ratio is 3 to 2. Now if above is times 3, now let's times it by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. Now we got it that butter 12 is 4 more than sugar. So number of butter she uses must be 12. That will be the answer. Next. Question 19. Write a number in each box to make the calculation correct. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, if you have not finished, you may pause this video for this question. Let's reveal the answer. You want to know? So it's 3258. Then that's the answer. How does it work? So this question is a bit tricky. The first layer is 4, the second layer is 2 digit. While actually, how do we solve this is, we have to, this is the trick. We have to find the combination of number that will produce 2 digit and 4 digit. So we see that the number that will produce 2 digit is this unit, the one unit with this 2 here, that are possible to produce 2 digit. Now the one that to produce 4 digit as above here will be the 10th unit, with this 2 digit, it will produce 4 digits. So since this is 78, we want to find a combination of number, and this must be 7. 7 so a number times a number that will produce 7. So that is the riddle. So in here, 9 times 7 is if we take a 39, if we take 39 times 39 times 2, we'll get 78. So we have to choose a number that we times, we got 7, so we choose 39 times 8, so that's how we put 3 in here. 39 times 2 is 78, so that's how we got 78. And then the front digit should produce, the front digit, since this is 39 times 50, this one 50 times 39, so we got 541950. So that's how we fill here, and we add it up. That's how we got the answer. So this question you have to do a bit of trial and error, and by seeing the tricks. And first step is find a combination of 39 times 2 that will produce 7, and that number when we times with the 5. It should produce around 19. Alright, the trick, if you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section in Susan YouTube channel. Next number, 2 right angle. Triangular prism are joined together to make a cube. One prism is gray and the other is white. Complete the shading to show the net of the cube. If you have this paper printout, you can do it more practically. Alright, 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So if you're not finished, you may pause this video. So this is the answer. So you have to imagine that this will become the top part, this one. So the others will be, this will be left, lateral left, this will be right. This will be the back side, this will be the back side. And this will be the front side. This will be the bottom part. Alright, next. Question 21. Each 4 children each have some beads. The mean number of beads is 8. Rajiv, bring some more beads. Here we go, Rajiv. Mean number of beads for the 5 children now is 9. Write the number of beads Rajiv brings. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's reveal the answer. It's 13. How does it work? So first is 4 children. The average is 8, so 4 times 8 is 32. Then after Rajiv added, it will be 5 children times average is 9, 45. So the difference is 45 minus 32 is 13. That's how we got the answer. Next. Question 22. Angelique beats her drum every 2 seconds. Mia beats her drum every 3 seconds. And Gabriel beats her drum every 5 seconds. What's the question? The 3 girls start by beating their drums at the same time. Write the correct number in each box to complete the sentences. The first time 2 drums are beaten together is after blank seconds. The second time 2 drums are beaten together is after blank second. And the first time 3 drums are beaten together is after blank seconds. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's reveal the answer. Please pause this video if you have not finished. It's 6, 10, and 13. How does it work? So every 2 seconds, so let's make a multiple of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Every 3 seconds is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Every 5 seconds, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now, 2 drums are beaten together after the common number from here is 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 6 is there in here and in here. So the first time 2 drums beaten together is after 6 seconds from here to here, 6 seconds, because the same number 6 and 6. And the second time 2 drums are beaten together is after 6, then 8, there's no common, 9, no common. You see 10, there is common in here and here. So it will be 10 seconds. And the first time 3 drums are beaten together is the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 5. So it will be 5, no, 10. There's no 10 in each. This one, 3 seconds. 10 is not multiple of 3. 15, 15. Multiple of 5 is 15, multiple of 3 is 15, but 15, 2, 15 is not multiple of 2, so 15 is not there. 20, 20 is not multiple of 2, 25 is not multiple of 2, of course. 30 is multiple of 3 and also multiple of 2, so 30 exists as the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 5, so that will be the answer. Right, next. Question 23. Angle A and B are placed next to each other, here and here, to make another angle C. Complete a table about the size of angle C. Is always, sometimes, or never. 1 has been done for you. Size of angle A, acute B, acute C, acute. It is sometimes. That is the answer given. As an example, size of angle A, acute B, acute C, obtuse. We have to fill. Acute, obtuse, obtuse. We have to fill. Acute, obtuse, acute. What is it? And obtuse, obtuse, reflect. What is it? So, 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So this is the answer. Size of A, acute, B, acute, the C, sometimes obtuse. What's the proof? Let's say this is 40, this is 60, altogether is 100. 100 is obtuse, but if we take 30 and this is also 20, then it will be 50. 50 is also acute but not obtuse, so that's the reason we answer sometimes. And acute and obtuse. So if A is acute, like C 30, and B is obtuse, let's say 100. And the size of angle C obtuse, so it will be 100 plus 3. Yes, but if we take A as a so number 2, acute, obtuse, and obtuse, the answer sometimes. Let's take acute 85. Obtuse 100, it will be 185. 185 is a reflect angle. That's why the answer is sometimes, but sometimes it will give obtuse angle. Like if it's 30 plus 100 is 130, it will be obtuse. That will be correct. Well, next one. Number 3, acute, obtuse, and acute. If A is 40, B acute is 100, it will never be acute because obtuse itself is greater than 90. So it will be never. Obtuse, obtuse, reflect. So obtuse, let's say 140 and 100, so 240, so it will be always reflect or greater than 180. Even if we take the 91 and 92, it will still be 183, and it will still be reflect, so always. That will be the answer. Or if you have any correction, idea, input, advice, or question, please feel free to write in the comment section in Susan Hira YouTube channel. Many thanks for you who have joined this video with us and doing the quiz for 2022 Mathematics Progression Test Stage 6 Paper 2. And please subscribe and like this video. Give thumbs up to help us produce more videos like this. And so today we have done doing the quiz for Mathematics Progression Test Stage 6 as paper 2022 paper 2 with the code M/6/02. Question answer for Cambridge Primary. Check link in the description. Click this button as at the right bottom corner under this video. You will see all the useful description. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. By doing this, you will be the first to be notified when we release our latest updates of most recent past paper from grade 3 till grade 12. Like and share because it's absolutely free. And today's discussion is conducted by Today with Teaching Online. We cater for all the subject and syllabus. If you're interested to join with us, please email us. We provide online tuition with affordable price, or if you have any unsolved paper or question, please feel free to send us. We'll see what we can do for you. Bye bye and see you in the next video, and God bless you. After this, there will be a full screen of question of past paper for all numbers, so you can take a screenshot, save in your file, and print it out. Bye bye and see you in the next video.